In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo here in Canva. Now, there's actually a couple of different ways that we can do this, so let me go ahead and show you both ways. Now, the first way, once you have a project open like this and you're designing, we can simply come up over to the upload section just here on the left hand side, and then what we can do is just directly take our image, our photo, and upload it just like that. And then we can go ahead and use it however we want in our design. Now, another way to do this is by dropping it onto the home page. So if we come here, let's take that again. Now if we take this and literally just directly drop it onto the page like this, we can see we have the option to upload as well. But once we've done that, it's going to take a few seconds and it's going to put it in the exact same folder as it did in the upload section when we had a project open. Now I've uploaded it here, but we can't see it. So what we want to do is simply just come to images just there, and there we go. It's just here on the left hand side. So nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to upload a photo here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.